just rounding White Cliffs, still about 150 miles from Darwin. There's obviously no doubt why it's called White Cliffs, so I'll just flip around and zoom in.
You to explain.
Alright, so we're going over a part on a map.
A rounding
Sonar.
Point David, that translates to?
With some sonar things. So the sonar says one thing and navionics says another.
So
Same
at that
depth.
point there it says 1 metre. And we are at low tide, but it's about a metre, so we should have 2, which is just a little bit more than we draw, but 11.4 and another 1.5 on top, so we're in 13 metres. And the chart's saying 2.
So it gets a bit confusing sometimes. So
Very gently and slowly,
sail down, sail
idling through.
So we've just arrived at Croker Island, Point David, behind me, and behind me is the abandoned pearl farm. So we're just about to go and have a look and explore. The other boats are just turning up now. So Layla's just dropping their anchor. They've just arrived in. He's had a busy day. His autopilot's failed and he's hand helm. So we're on the way in and have a look and give him a hand. Definitely Australian, got a Hills hoist, clothesline. So we've sheared a bolt on the rudder stop. So the rudder's now slipping and no longer keeping what it keeps with the wheel. So the problem we got is the rudder's not in alignment. That should be in there. And that's sheared and this is no longer in centre. So we've got to get it all relocated.
And that's how close he is to the water, but realistically we're supposed to get in the water to check the rudder. But there's crocodiles, so we're not sure. Hey, Ian, how you feeling? Quite content there? Poor Ian wasn't too well the last time he was on here.
It's just not nice. It hurts my knees. Nice the other way.
Maybe we should have grabbed that one on the beach.
Chris is very vocal in his oohs.
Oh, this is made for an exciting afternoon for him. Oh.
Oh, you did too. Sorry.
do that. Come on. Coming up.
Now I've got the red dot. Oh, he's out there. Oh, yes. I was going to check the depth.
Big for about. Oh.
So what do you want? Net or?
Net. Yep. Jesus.
Net's behind you, and I'll grab the rod when you're ready.
Right, net. Right. You gotta go hard in a sec. No, it's not a queen. Okay. I've got it.
Oh!
Well, let's do it. In the bag. I think it's a queenfish. Got the rod. Yeah, it's a queenfish.
Yeah, and we've just caught this queenfish, which is
First
pretty,
queenie we've caught.
yeah, pretty ugly.
Very good fighter though. So these spikes here, they're razor sharp.
Yeah.
So,
But look at the fins down the all down the side there.
they're
They're pretty amazing.
are they coming?
Well, they said
So where are we going?
Are we going to go around and see them?
Where's the point? That rock there. Come around and stop sleeping on the beach on the other side of the rocks.
What the hell did you just say? Don't say stuff. What are all those things? That's not.
They're rocks.
No, on the beach. What are those marks?
No, it's the water when it runs down.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh my God, there's about 12 of them all running together.
All lined up in a row.
Woo!
Surfed in. Plonk, belly down.
You're going to do faster, Pete, otherwise we'll end up on the rock.
It's just over ankle.
We're on the bottom. Hey, you got a bit of a wet bum.
I know. I said I was getting wet.
Yeah,
I tried.
your ass is wet. Oh, they got these shells.
Oh, it's a swirly shell.
Yep, I've got them. There's lots of little shellies.
And then I went, oh, there's a creature in it. Look. And he jumped out.
And he jumped out. Where is he? Oh, look, he's got no shell. Oh, the poor
He was
thing.
actually too big for this.
You need a better shell than that one. Where's the shell?
Look at this one. He's good.
Oh,
Oh no, somebody's in there. Oh, he won't be able to carry it, you reckon?
Oh, no, he
No, he
doesn't
won't
go
get
in
in there.
nose.
There was one of them down the beach I saw.
No, that doesn't get in nose.
Oh, we've got to
You've got
find
to take
him.
take him back into the. Oh, he looks so sad.
God, don't
I've never
say
seen one
that.
jump out of its shell
Should
ever.
I give it back and see if he goes back in it?
Yeah.
If he goes back
Oh,
in
it's
it,
a really nice shell.
yes.
Find him another one.
Yeah.
Oh, you're nasty.
Fell out.
Look at him. Oh, he's got to find another shell. I know, but he's not even checking him out now. He's getting out and he's running.
Is that enough?
Yes. See, he's got a spiral side of him, so he needs a spiral.
Yeah. Any of these any good to you, buddy?
Karen can have the special shell that he had in. He was his home.
No,
He jumped.
He jumped. Chris, now, if Chris didn't see it, you might have thought mean of me.
Pulled him out.
But I would not do that.
He's twice as
I
long as
know.
I said, look, Chris, this is lovely, but there's an animal in it. And I went, look. And then he went, good old she's joking.
Yeah, yep. The peepee and meat on the water.
What are you doing here? No, you were going to be up here.
We've just seen the biggest slide.
The body, no kidding, this one, and the footprints with